Hi friends, I'm Monika Sharma and I hope all of you are doing great. I know there's been some time I haven't posted anything, but most of you know I've been really occupied. So आज हम topic करेंगे which is relevant to most of us. It's going to be short, sweet and simple. And this is matchmaking. Like most of the time I meet friends who are at that stage and age in life where they're looking forward to matrimony, and there are certain people who are already married. They also have issues ki yaar, my spouse doesn't understand me. I don't know, I say X and he or she understands Y. I don't know why there's such a difference. And that is the topic of the day. आज हम बात करेंगे matchmaking की. And first thing I want to say is that matches are made in heaven. Whomsoever you're going to be with and you are with is already destined. It is just a way our karma has played out. The ways could be very different. आप अपने husband या spouse को या would be को आप school, college, workspace में या फिर कि common matchmaker के through या फिर online portal पे या किसी भी तरह आप उनको मिलें. It's already decided for all of us that how we're going to meet the other person. But sometimes it just helps to understand the mental makeup of the other person and the level of the compatibility between the two people. So best चीजें जो हमको देख सकते हैं, which anybody can do on their own, बहुत simply, बहुत easily, is look for 4 things. सबसे पहले your ascendant. So ascendant compatibility. Ascendant का मतलब होता है the rising sign, the लग्न. जो भी house आपके chart में first number पे होता है, that is your rising sign. So which sets the tone of your life, which sets the tone of your personality basically. तो जब दो compatible ascendants आपस में मिलते हैं तो life becomes easier. जैसे कि Aries with Aries, simple, like it's like Aries ascendant is like the same as the Kalpurush ki Kundali. So mostly Aries ascendant people have sorted out lives because जो नेचुरल जोडिया का फंक्शन और बॉडी पार्ट और जो जैसे होता है वो उनका ऑलरेडी इन अलाइनमेंट होता है. सो व्हेन टू एरीज पीपल मीट दे आर वेरी कंपैटिबल. They're like, okay, energy hai and tu hai, almost same, we are same, so they do well. Again, now the second important part in that is the sign. Just say Aries with Aries or any other fire sign. Look at the compatibility, how does it matches. The second important point is the moon sign and the element of the moon sign. आपकी सोचने का जो पर्सपेक्टिव है ना वो बहुत ज्यादा मून साइन के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. सो व्हेन टू मून साइंस आर कंपैटिबल, दे आर इन गुड कंपैटिबल एलिमेंट्स, इट मेक्स योर लाइफ very simple and easy because you know the other person gets you because it's like mentally you are totally tuned and compatible. And the other third important factor is like how far apart your moon is from your spouse's moon. For example, if your moon is in Aries and your spouse's moon is in Taurus, so they're very near, right? It's Aries ke baad Taurus, Gemini, so they're just one place apart, right? तो उससे क्या होता है, you easily get what the other person is thinking because mentally it's very close. So that is also a very important factor. Like for example, if one is Aries and the other one is Pisces, so it has to go 12 places to understand what you are saying. So see, that just make it slightly difficult to understand कि other person क्या सोच रहा है, वो क्यों ऐसा सोच रहा है. And the fourth important factor is like, is it a masculine sign, is it a feminine sign? So ये थोड़ी सी चीजें हैं जो हम अक्सर देखते हैं while matchmaking. And these are the small things that you can do on your own also, like a quick check before you jump into a commitment or something. But in case you already love someone and your planetary alignments are not that great, meditation always helps to cut the karmic cycles. So you can break all the bad planetary karmic depths just by meditating, and you can appease your planets. So meditation is very important. So in case nothing works, meditation will always help. I hope आपको आज का टॉपिक informative लगा होगा, and in case आपको ये interesting लगा हो, I would request you to please share it with your dear ones. Please like. Thank you so much for subscribing and hitting that like button, and I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.